So I think you guys found everything okay. If you wanted the mean, you would just add all these values up, divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that should give you the mean that they got, which was 68.8 for brand A. Do it separately for brand B, add all those, divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you should get 65.8 for brand B for the means. So I think your problem here was probably more with the standard deviation. I went ahead and did a lot of the work so you didn't have to watch me do it. We're going to use the shortcut formula for standard deviation again, just to make it shorter. So I've got the x's that they give me, and then I'm going to make another column where I square these x's. So 64 squared was 4096, 65 squared, 70 squared, and so on. Then I make the totals, so I just add these up. I got 344, add these up, I got that big thing. And then I plug and chug them into this. So the n is the number of values I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So n was 5. The sum of the x squareds was this column here, that big number there, minus the sum of the x's, which was that 344, then squared, over 5 times 5 minus 1 is 4. I went and punched this all in on my calculator. So again, I can show you. You can do it step by step, but if not, it's square root, open up parentheses for the square root, open up parentheses for the top, 5 times that, minus 344 squared, close the parentheses for the top, divide by, and I just did 5 times 4 was 20. Otherwise, you'd have to do parentheses and then 5 times 4. We get 4.21, which matches for their standard deviation. Hooray! I did the same exact thing for brand B separately. Again, just made my columns of x's that they gave me, separate column with x squared, summed them up, plugged and chugged them into that. So take a look, see if you match. So I'll hold it on the screen for a little bit, and then I had both of them on my calculator at the same time, so this was what I put in for the second one. So hopefully that makes sense.